3.8 XRP. I will definitely be happy when that happens. Every single minute, we're now getting more people to vote. And I'm pretty sure that the not vote, this guy might never vote. This is the guy that tried to block the vote, if I understand correctly. But now it's finally moving forward with the CBDC stuff. Maybe Trump had like a call. You know, you never know what happens behind in politics. Maybe someone was very pissed if they don't say yes. And they're basically forced. That's why I'm not, you know, super into politics, is because it's a real drama. $3 XRP is the new 50-cent XRP. Still a good buy. I don't think it will ever go. Yeah, I agree with you. I don't think it will ever go to 50-cent XRP. Working with the government, there's nothing more bullish than that. Literally, when El Salvador announced that it's going to be its own crypto, that was the big bull run. Will pass. I definitely think it will pass, and I will be streaming tomorrow as well. So smash that like button for that. Guys, I listened to earnings. I don't think it's real news. I'm just a dude, though. Yeah, which earnings do you mean? I seriously, bro, can I still make a good profit even though isn't it much invested in? Look at that. Elon Musk, so many powerful people. So much about non-crypto stuff. I want my Twitter to be with XRP. Look, they're buying. BlackRock is now sitting over 2 million ETH. They swallow 1.68% of supply. Because BlackRock knows XRP and US government corporations are getting into crypto. And they hated him for speaking the truth. For telling the truth. This is literally what I imagine. Like, you know, people don't like the truth, but this is it. People don't like big institutions inside, but this is what brings the true crypto wealth. Can we get another vote, please? Thank you. Just another vote of people coming in. Buy as much as you can and forget it for 5 to 10 years. I think you don't even have to wait 5 to 10 years. Non-financial advice, but at this point, it just tells me that right now, BlackRock buying in is very bullish. They want to buy right now at very discounted price before retail and corporations come in. Bitcoin dominance drops. I mean, bullish for XRP, Ethereum, and Solana. These are the top cryptos, and maybe BNB, Binance Coin. Bitcoin dominance is actively dropping. So yeah, the big companies that bought the asset, you know, at $3, they might sell it at $5, but that's okay. That's how stock market works. Like when Nvidia goes up, it literally means that, you know, some of these companies have sold for the amount and they will get it basically back, you know, they will sell it at some point. And look at this. I already told you guys, for anyone new in the stream, there is a very clear pattern that XRP is getting bought up by the whales right now. One whale pretty much sold it, but the good thing is it just rallies and then a whale sells. Look at that. Look at that. You can actually see the charts here, and the good thing is you know, what I really like about crypto is everything is on the blockchain. So someone is just selling 58,000 XRP. That's $150,000 on this exchange alone. And the big thing here is when you look at the charts, when you look at a big candle like this, so this tells me something like a retail, maybe like $20,000, $30,000 sales, right? But this tells me millions because you can move basically a cent up or down. So it tells me that when a whale sells at $3, from 3.5 to 3.4, they have sold a very big amount. Again, like the candle like that and candle like this is a very big difference. Because to make candles like this, to make this type of price action for Bitcoin or cryptocurrency, you need to sell very big amounts. Could be 10 million, could be 5 million, could be 1 million, depending on the coin. But what we saw is literally before the news. So I think it happened like 5 hours ago. Look, this is 3 cents. It was $2.98. You could literally see like a small rally and then an institution buying here. So you can see, look, an institution bought it here, this candle. It's just my theory, right? It's not financial advice, but this is how I believe candles work. I'm not a trader by any means, but it has worked for me in the past. It has worked with me, not with XRP, but with SHIB. I was looking at candles and seeing, this candle looks long, right? And then you got to look at the patterns. And it definitely shows that this candle right here is that the whale sold. We're still waiting for the votes. It's at nine voters left. So